up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So before we start today's video, we want to go ahead and open a special package that we just got in the mail.
Okay guys, so we got a package over here from Lucas Medina. He hit us, or actually yeah, he sent me a picture of this on Instagram and I thought it was super cool, and he decided to make stickers. That's what I'm gonna assume is in the package, but he wrote us a little note on the back, so I just want to go ahead and read it to you guys. It says, Blaine and Christine, thanks for bringing authenticity to the car scene. Refreshing to have people who stay true to themselves, and not to mention the creativity you guys bring with your builds. Can't wait to draw the 240 once it's all painted. Much love and aloha, Lucas. And then on the front he drew us stay good with his cat. So we're gonna go ahead and see what he gave us. Look at this, guys. That's that car out there. That's that car. Got a ramen patch right here. Got another one. Oh, is this you?
Oh,
he started
this is me.
That is you.
Oh, that's so cool.
Oh, that's so cool. Oh, that's so cool, man. Wow. I'll link his Instagram down in the description. It's peck_z, but I'll link it. Alright, I just want to give a big shout out to Lucas. This is super dope. I'm super excited. It's pretty cool that you actually started a little one for Christine. He also does more drawings and stuff, so if you want to hit him up, maybe have him draw your car and stuff, I'll link his Instagram down in the description. Alright, so let's get on with this video. So today we're going to be working on the rear flares of the 240. A couple of videos back, you guys saw that I accidentally caught the quarter panel on fire. Okay guys, if you notice, we're backwards from the last clip. It's because Christine caught her car on fire. But we were able to salvage it. We got it as straight as possible. We're still going to need to do a lot of body work to get it good, but at least it's decent for now. So we're going to be adding that 1-inch lip today. I already started to do the driver's side, so I'm going to go ahead and finish that up first, and then we can do the passenger side. So I started about 1 inch above where the side skirt and the rear valence ends, so that way it can kind of fade into the car over here, and then just made a piece that goes straight across. It's not even right now because I cut it just a little bit bigger than 1 inch just to leave extra room for any mistakes that I made. So later on I'm going to go ahead and measure 1 inch throughout the whole lip and then smooth down where I need to make it look a little bit more complete. But for now I'm just going to leave this side alone and then start doing the lip on the other side. So just to update you guys, I'm almost done with this lip. I went ahead and threw the side skirt on so I can mark it off and then do 1 inch above and measure this piece out. And after I do these pieces and then the little corner pieces, then we should be done. So now that the lip is finished, Blaine's gonna go ahead and create these little triangle pieces that go inside the sides. So he just made this one and it fits perfectly, so he's gonna go ahead and weld it up. Okay guys, so initially we're gonna do this with fiberglass, but I decided Okay guys, so I decided that I'm gonna try to do this with metal. Originally I wanted to do it fiberglass just because it'll be easier, but I went ahead and, as you guys see, I made a little template out of tape. And then I stuck the tape to the big piece of sheet metal right there. And I'm just going ahead and shaping the metal, bending it, and grinding it just until I'm happy with the shape. And it's like almost perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and put the door on and check the clearance, and hopefully we'll be good to weld it up. Oh, perfect.
So now that Blaine has added all the little finishing pieces, we're gonna go ahead and start grinding down this lip. So I measured out this line and it's about even all the way across. It's about 1.25 inches. So we're gonna go ahead and start. So now that we're done adding that 1-inch lip, we're gonna go ahead and lay some fiberglass Bondo down. So I didn't record anything so far because I didn't really know what direction I was going into because the flare was so wavy because we had to bash it in. What we used was Bondo glass, so that way it would be a little bit stronger than regular Bondo. And then I tried to build up this section as close to stock as possible. So if you look at it from the side, it's not too bad anymore. And even the flare is a little bit off because when we were grabbing water to put the fire out, we accidentally stepped on the flare. So everything is a little bit off. So we're just trying to correct everything using the Bondo glass, and then we're gonna go ahead and put some regular Bondo over that. So before we go ahead and lay some Bondo down, I'm gonna go ahead and tack weld on the inside of this lip, just so that way it's a little bit more secure. So we also went ahead and got new spacers for the rears. We were running a 1.5-inch spacer, but now with the lip we can go ahead and use a 1-inch spacer. So we're gonna go ahead and throw these ones on. Blaine's gonna put the wing back on his car because it looks so much better with it on. Yeah. They're like all different ones.
Funny because I have so many different bolt holes, but I know I only use 2. So.
That's why you're not supposed to take anything off after you bolt it down.
But I just put in 2 short bolts.
On one side? Are these bolts 10s or 11s? Oh, so much cooler. So now that all the welds have been grinded down, Blaine's laying down some Bondos. So that way we can mold in these flares. So now we're done with the flares. Blaine's gonna air it out so we can show you guys what it looks like. So in the rear, it tucks just a little bit. And then this is the fitment in the front. So I didn't really record too much more of sanding because it was just a lot of adding more Bondo and sanding everything down. But this is how it looks now. Let us know what you guys think of the new fitment down below. But that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, so much for rocking with us. We appreciate all you guys' support, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay good.